2012 Black. Just cut it. Yeah, this is my last one of this. Decent product. I don't know, too many autographs of players. Lower tier players, though. I don't know why they always do that. That's their trick of the trade. Panini. That's how they get you. Yeah, I mean, they could. I don't know. Give me a Ryan Tannehill auto or something. You don't have to give me Kendall Reyes every time. Oh my God! Back card, Nate. Kendall Reyes. Yes, every pack. Kendall Reyes. Unbelievable. And I'm gonna guess there's a Marvin McNutt here somewhere. Since every pack's the same. What are we starting off with? And the jersey, I'm going to guess it is, I'll go Joe Adams. So black, Anquan Bolden, just a base to 349. It's actually kind of a cool card. Yeah, I don't know how I've gotten so many of that same Kendall Reyes card. There's 2 in 1 pack. Oh, I think there's 2 in 1 pack. Yeah, 2 in 1 pack. Kendall Reyes. Case Keenum, at least. Auto. That's kind of cool. It's a 199. This card would have been hot back in like November. I don't know. He still could play next year. A little bit. Kendall Reyes base for. This is like a. I don't know. I'll just call it platinum. It's like a out of 25. It's kind of cool. Does he play for San Diego?
Who?
Kendall Reyes?
Yeah.
Oh, well, at least he plays, I guess. Man to man.
I see them on the field.
I don't like these cards, really. Rogers, Cromartie, and Santana. It's out of 349 for that one. Oh my God, Jarius Wright again. Weaponry, Andre Johnson. It's a 349. This black stuff, this black can be pretty horrific. Yeah, it's a Jarius Wright, 1 color. And it's the out of 349. So I think it's the worst card you can get, Nate.
I don't know.
It's got to be the worst hit you can get. Probably the worst player, numbered the highest, and it's a 1 color. Yeah, Omar Bolden, sticker autograph, out of 199. Yeah, the thing with this is I bought 5 boxes, but it wasn't from a sealed case, so that's probably why I got 2 of the same player, which kind of sucks. Ronald Lewis, gold to 99 auto. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Donald Driver. It's a 25 auto. Marks of distinction. Sticker. Yeah, it's got the sticker autograph on there. Got a Vic jersey card. That's kind of cool. Out of 99. There's a lot of hits in this one. I got this card in the last box. Tavon Wilson, 349. And another Kendall Reyes. 2 in 1 box, somehow. So in that whole, out of all 5 boxes, I didn't get 1 Josh Gordon, not even a base. 349. That's it. Tough break.